What's going on, guys? I don't have much time for an intro, so we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it, but hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, as you guys remember, I keep complaining about this front end being misaligned. Well, I went and, yeah, I got like a whole parts bike. And so, yeah, I'm gonna be taking a lot of the stuff off of this and transferring it over to here, especially like this license plate, like this taillight license plate under tail thingy, because mine's non-existent. But so anyways, I got a whole front end, I got a radiator, I got all the good stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start working on this, just get into it. Since I have to jack this thing up off the front wheel, I'm going to use this. I'm not 100% sure this is a Harley Davidson jack, so we will find out. As long as we'll find out and see if it works. But that's not my only thing that is going to be a problem, is getting this front end lifted up completely. Well, getting this front wheel off was a hassle, that's definitely for sure. But anyway, so now that that's off, I'm going to go ahead and keep loosening these up, taking all this stuff off, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. And then, yeah, we'll just continue on. There we go, that's a good one. Bro, I've been at this for like 30 minutes to an hour and I only got the one side off. This is a bitch. That's for sure. But anyway, so I'm just gonna have to go run and do some stuff. Maybe come back either later tonight or tomorrow. Keep working on this, but I'm gonna get this done by this week. And so that way you guys have a video for this week. So yeah, so anyways, you guys will just see me in like 0.5 seconds. All right, back at it again, day 2. Let's hopefully get this knocked out. Took so long to get that one out. Maybe this one will be quicker. I don't know. We'll see. Dude, I'm not even kidding you. That took like 2 minutes. I don't know why this side was harder than this side, but you know what? I don't care. I'm happy with it. So let's look at this. What kind of management should I be doing? Then I will look at throwing the forks in. So actually what I need to do first, I need to clean these forks. As you can see, there is a bunch of dirt and debris on these forks. And so I need to take the time and clean these off. But once I do that, I should be good to just go ahead and install them. I believe this is the right one. Not 100% sure, but I will figure it out. And anyways, I will catch you guys in. All right, now I'm a little upset. I spent all this time switching out all the forks and all that stuff, and guess what? It's still misaligned. Very slightly, but it's still misaligned. At this point, I'm kind of just wondering if maybe I should just run it like that, but I'm going, probably what I'll do before just deciding to do that, I'm going to pull the triple tree off. I'll pull the actual triple tree and the whole entire thing, because I think if you look at this, I don't know if it'll show on camera. So I think I finally found where the actual like damage is, because if you look, I don't know if you can see this on camera or not, but this side is just a little twisted down, or this one's twisted a little bit up. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't have time to mess with this today, and I'm not gonna have enough time to put that into the video. And anyways, so at this point, I don't really know what to do, and so I don't have time to work on it tonight for the rest of the night, so I'm just going to, yeah, I'm just going to put a pin in it. So I'll ask some good people in the forums, see if they have anything, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells so you can see the next time I upload this piece of shit or the green piece of shit, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want